Hi everyone, today I'm showing you my Infulenster Voxbox review. So first of all, I can explain to you how to get those Voxbox. You simply have to sign up with Infulenster and sign up with all your social media, and you will be able to actually get valued because of your numbers of followers, and potentially be able to qualify to receive Voxbox and receive free products for you to review. So here are 5 products that I received, and I'm just gonna try them on and show you all how the products do on my skin, because this is pretty much a Voxbox for skin. Now, just to let you know, for the makeup palette, I'm not gonna try it because I usually never wears makeup, so I'm just gonna show it to you. Then I'm gonna try the peel off mask with charcoal, which really worked on my skin. There's also a sunscreen cream that I'm actually going to show you on my hands because I don't usually wear sunscreen. And I also have a lip balm night mask that I'm going to try on. So for the peel off mask, I'm actually going to use a small makeup brush just to apply the mask on my skin and to be able to not dirty my fingers. So once I apply the mask all over my face, I'm simply gonna leave it on for 20 minutes or until it's dry. So now that it's dry, I'm simply gonna test, make sure that it's completely dry, and I'm gonna start peeling it off from the bottom of my face. Once it's fully peeled off, you can see all the stuff that were on my skin. There is not a lot of stuff. So now I will simply show you the consistency of this lotion, this sunscreen, and I'm just going to apply it to my skin. And as you can see, I didn't put a lot, but the lotion is actually pretty much thick and it covers your skin fully. So now I'm just going to show you my hands to actually see the difference. So on the right you can see the sunscreen, and on the left there is nothing. So now I'm going to try on the sleeping mask by Clean and Clear. So basically it's like a jelly mask that I can just apply on my skin, and I'm actually gonna leave it on for like 15 minutes to 20 minutes, lay down and just relax. So to really lay it down, you really want to stick and take out any bubbles that there is on this mask. So unfortunately I lost the footage of when I was actually taking off that jelly mask, but just to tell you, my skin afterwards were really shining and really smooth, and honestly it really brings light to your skin, and it's really good before going to sleep. Anyways, I hope you had a good time, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!